lovers, it's Ali Star here today for another video. Today I'm going to be viewing the Air Jordan 1 Mid Breads. So I'm going to tell you the history about the shoe. The history about the shoe is the NBA had a uniform policy that all the players must wear the same jersey and shoes. Jordan didn't follow that and wore a shoe that Nike gave him. And when he wore those shoes, the NBA made him pay a $5,000 fine. Nike paid for him for wearing these extraordinary shoes. Let's take a look at them. These are the breads for kids. So these are the kids ones. Same history. Wow. Hole spacing is perfect. They already tied my laces. Perfect. I love the tag. It's nice Jordan logo. There's nothing they can improve. Inside is plain black. Let's check out the swooshes. Sorry about that. Swooshes are perfect. I love the nice buttery leather. Same as the swoosh. This is nice buttery leather too. I'm sorry if I'm mixing up words, but this shoe is fantastic. Let's look at the back. The back is nice. I like the pattern of the red, black, red. It's bread, which stands for black and red. Let's look at the insoles. Sorry, outsoles. I'm sorry. Perfect outsoles. So I'm going to tell you a hint that all of the Jordan ones will always have the same outsole. Look, but this different color. Great shoes, Nike. You did it again. Thank you for watching. Bye.